Can vlogs work for business owners? My answer is yes. Today, I'm going to be talking about how vlogs can work for you in your business. Hi, if you're new here, by the way, my name is Catara. I help business owners build a personal brand on YouTube so they can make more sales. So, number one, vlogs build community and relatability. So, a lot of people think of vlogs as strictly entertainment purposes, but they can also be a way to build community. By creating vlogs, you're essentially inviting them into your world and seeing what you do on a daily basis. So they get to see another part of you and just like not the polished version that you present when you're doing a talking head video. For example, I recently just posted a vlog of me on a video shoot, and one of my longtime subscribers was actually like, wow, you have so much equipment. I didn't know that you did this as a real business. It also made me see that sometimes people really do have to see it in action to believe it. Number two, and this kind of drives off point number one, it shows the behind the scenes of your business. So whether that's like prepping for a big event, packing up products, showing a bit of your family life, what you do on a daily basis in your business. People love seeing the process. It's inspiring and it can sometimes be educational. And it also helps you stand out for your competitors as well. If you and your competitors are both doing video content, but you post maybe a few vlogs during the year and they don't, you will in turn have more relatability to them and people will feel closer to you as a person. And my last point is that it humanizes you and it also humanizes your brand. So sometimes when you're just like creating video content and you're just doing talking head videos, it's easy for people to sort of like build parasocial bonds with you, but then it's also just to like for them to say like, oh, this is just like another person on the screen. But doing vlogs, and I recently had a person that came on a call with me and said this as well, just her looking at my blog content, she's like, oh, she's actually really out here doing it, or, I can really relate to her. So again, it really humanizes you. So yeah, if you made it here to the end, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about vlogs. And if you want to see a few examples of the vlogs that I have done, I will link them here on the screen.